If you're having trouble with OMS or you're seeing errors, you may need to access the support control panel. You can do this at any time by pressing the F2 button on the front of the tablet. In this screen, you can check the tablet is online and check the battery level and charging status. The Wi-Fi indicator on the tablet will show blue if Wi-Fi is enabled. If OMS is closed or is showing an error, you can press the Relaunch OMS button to restart the app. If relaunching OMS does not resolve the problem, you can press the Reboot tablet button to close down and restart the system. If restarting the tablet does not resolve the problem, you can contact NetPractice support by phone on 0844 800 2683 or use the video and audio call buttons in the control panel to initiate a support call through the tablet. When the call is finished, the engineer will close the session and return you to the control panel. The NetPractice help desk is open between 9 and 5, Monday to Friday. To preserve battery life, press the power button on the front of the tablet to enter sleep mode when not in use. Press the same button again to wake the tablet. To return to OMS, tap the Home button at the bottom right of the screen.